दुनिया सजा के जीना, जिंदगी क्या है मेरी जुबान से सुनिए, मेरी आवाज़ ही पर्दा है मेरे चेहरे का, मैं हूँ खामोश जहाँ मुझे वहाँ से सुनिए. A very good and warm morning to all here. I, Professor Dr. Reena Gunjan, Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, MIT ADT School of Engineering, MIT ADT University, welcomes you all with warmest greeting. It gives us immense pleasure and pride to organize this function of MOU signing ceremony. We welcome our respected Honorable Professor Dr. Mangesh Karar Sir, Executive President and Vice Chancellor, MIT ADT University. I request Professor Dr. Shetty to present a bouquet to Sir. Abhi. Last. Okay, last. Okay. I also welcome Professor Kishore Ravande, Principal and Dean, Research and Consultancy, Professor Dr. Rajneesh Kaur Sachdev, Dean, Faculty of Engineering, Professor Dr. V.V. Shetty, Vice Principal and Head of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. And Dr. Prasad, I also welcome him, the Professor of Computer Department. We also welcome our distinguished guests from different industries, all HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff. As per the tradition of MIT ADT University, we begin our session for MOU signing ceremony by the World Peace Prayer. This prayer talks about bringing peace in the world. So I request everyone to close their eyes and join their hands for the World Peace Prayer.
वेद प्रतिपाद्या जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवातुति गणेषु सकलार्थमति प्रकाशु म्हणे निवृत्तिदासु अवधारि गोदी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Thank you, everyone. Now I would request dignitaries on the dais to come forward for the lighting of lamp for Saraswati Pujan. हृदय में ईश्वर के प्रति श्रद्धा एवं विश्वास सहित कि वे हमारे समारोह को सफल बनाएं, इसी भावना स्वरूप हम प्रार्थना के मंगल स्वरों से शुभारंभ करते हैं। हृदय में ईश्वर के प्रति श्रद्धा एंड विश्वास। अस्तु मां सद्गमया, तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमया, मृत्योर्मां अमृतं गमया। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु माँ कश्चित दुःखभाग् भवेत्। अर्थात हे ईश, सब सुखी हो, कोई ना हो दुखारी, होवे निरोग सब, धन धान्य के भंडारी, सब भद्र भाव देखें, सन्मार्ग के पथिक हों, दुखिया न होवे कोई, संसार के पज पुजारी। दीप जलें, जलते रहें, रोशन हो संसार, खूब मिलें, मिलते रहें, धन यश खुशी अपार। धन यश खुशी अपार दिखाएं ऐसा बनके, करता जो आलोक स्वयं दीपक जल जल के। Thank you everyone. Before we move on, let us all watch a small video presentation. We are much honored by the presence of our distinguished guests on this significant day to witness the signing of Memorandum of Understanding between Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, SOE, School of Engineering, MIT Edit University, and different organizations. Today, this collaboration showcases our common desire to promote research, leadership, knowledge, sharing, and entrepreneurship among youth. This MOU is to bridge the gap between industry and the academia, empowering professionals as entrepreneurs, and enrich young talent pool from department by enhancing their technical competencies to match the industry requirements. With the same thought process, we had organized first Industry Academia Meet on 9th October 2020. And now today we are organizing second National Industry Academia Meet. The objective of the meet is to bring together all of us to explore various opportunities towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. The collaborative activities will definitely enhance the global competencies of the student. We are today having this function with 27 industry partners. Today's function is very special. It is being organized by the Women Power of ECE department. It is said that Yatra Naryastu Pujyate Ramante Tatra Devta. जहाँ नारियों की पूजा होती है, देवता वहीं निवास करते हैं. But this world is incomplete without all our manpower. So पग पग पर सहयोग के आपके सभी कार्य चलते ज्ञान मनोरंजन आयोजन हम प्रतिवर्ष करते है. आशा विश्वास प्रगति में आप सभी सहारे हैं. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, यही विश्वास हमारे हैं. Now I would like to request our Vice Principal and Head of Department, Professor Dr. Viren Shetty, for his welcome speech by my 2 lines for him. मकसद है मेरा हर दिल भरा रहे खुलूस से, खुलूस मतलब प्यार से। मकसद है मेरा हर दिल भरा रहे खुलूस से, सवेरे प्यार के इसीलिए तो किए जा रहा हूँ मैं। सभी कहते हैं क्यों भटकते हो अंधेरों में, अंधेरों को उजालों में बदलते जा रहा हूँ मैं।
Very good afternoon to one and all. First of all, on behalf of MIT School of Engineering, I welcome all the leaders of different companies. Today, we are here to have a collaboration with a world-class university, which is MIT Art Design Technology University. So, I once again welcome all of you. Now for today's program, we have our own respected Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat sir, Executive President and Vice Chancellor of MIT Art Design Technology University. I welcome you, sir, for this program. We also have our own principal, sir, Professor Dr. Kishore Rawande sir. Sir, I welcome you. We have with us Dean of Engineering, our own ma'am, Rajni Sachdev ma'am, Dr. Rajni Sachdev ma'am, I welcome you ma'am. We have our Professor Dr. More. He is our Dean of Strategic and Planning. So I welcome Dr. More sir. We have Dr. Prasad sir, who is a professor of our Computer Engineering Department. So I welcome you sir for this program. So I am very happy to inform you all that what theme we have taken, that in every family we have women. So our MIT family is also having lot of women working in our campus. And what we have decided, ki this time when we are collaborating with industry, we will take our industry leaders, okay, together with the help of our this young and dynamic women. So this responsibility was given to all the women of our department, and I'm very happy to inform to our all the leaders of industry that they have planned very systematically. They have worked a lot. They took meeting whenever they want some help from us. So they discuss with us, and each and every planning they have done. And till yesterday, we got the approval of 30 industry leaders that they want to join this event. As you all know that there is a pandemic going on, and because of that, somewhat you can say this gathering we have restricted. So we call 25 industry leaders only. And at this moment, I'm very confidently want to inform to all members that physically there are 18 companies coming. Okay, some people are on the way. And the remaining 6-7, they are online. So first of all, I must thank each one of you for coming here. Okay, we have shown faith on us, and this is the second industry academia meet for this department we have planned. During our discussion in the conference room, I have already briefed you about our main strength of our department, and with full confidence, I would like to tell once again to you that our leader, Professor Dr. Mangesh Karat sir, he works for 18 hours and he is the inspirational source for all of us. And with his guidance, with his motivation, we all are working for the benefit of student. So every faculty member of our university charge for what? Charge for making and developing our country. Okay, we have a big vision. And for that, every faculty member, I will not give big speech because I know that there are many activities we have to complete. But I will tell you, it's my duty that first I should welcome all of you. So from Tata Elxsi, sir, we have Mr. Bhavesh Shah here. So I welcome you, sir. So thank you for accepting our this request and for collaboration. His another colleague was actually want to come, but because of some reason he was not there. So Mr. Vashant Shah, so please inform him that we are eagerly waiting for his visit to our university. For Accenture, sir, Mr. Dinesh Jangle, who is a vice president, he is on the way. He will come in next 15 minutes. We have another collaboration with Pune Knowledge Cluster or Center, which is the University of Pune. You know that Ayuka is there. So from that, we have two delegates. They will join online. That is Anita Khane, madam, and Mr. Ajit Khembavi, sir. So these two leaders from Pune Knowledge Center will join. Then from Scientech Infotech, we have Satish Thakre. He's on the way. He will come within short time. Then we have from Technofield Solutions, Mr. Vivek Murkute, sir. He is also present with us. So, sir, I welcome you. Then from Asim Software Private Limited, Mr. Ashish Bengali is there. I think he also joined. So I welcome you, sir. Thank you for coming. We have on Aeron Systems, Mr. Abhijit Bokil is there. Okay, he is online, he is coming. Campus Component, Mr. Akhilesh Kumar is also online. Then we have Tirupati Enterprise, Mr. Jaideep Sherke is coming. There is we have collaborated not only industry but one of the university from Andhra Pradesh, SR University is there, Dr. Gopinath Ravindran. He will be online with us. Then we have Pragmatic, which is the Mr. Shabbir Merchant is there. So he is there. So we welcome you, sir. We have Automation AI. Mr. Bhushan Muthaya is there, sir. I welcome you. Okay. So yeah, I welcome you, sir. Then we have Ishana Systems, Mr. Adhir Poddar. So he is online. Vishay Technology, Mr. Ramkumar Boop. His brother came, so sir, welcome. We have Systech Solutions, Mr. Sandeep Patil, sir. He is online. IBES Electrosoft, Mr. Nakul Deshmukh is there. He is online. So I welcome, because this program is online also. So they are watching. So we have sent link to them. So we are welcoming them because they are also online seeing this program. So Alta Technology offline, Mr. Rishikesh Hirde, he is coming. He will join. He is there? Okay, yeah, please. Welcome, sir. Then we have Alta Technology, Mr. Rishikesh Hirde, now just I said. Then we have Triomotion online, he is joining. Upendra Vanarse, sir, is there. So welcome to you, sir. Reho Green, Nikhil Mahajan is there. So I welcome you, sir. Then we have Naman Technologies, Tanmay Sate, he is joining online. Then Acube Consultancy Services, Dr. Anjali Sandole ma'am, and her Mr. is also present here. So we welcome you, sir. We have Auron Intellitech Private Limited, Mr. Neeraj Jain is online. So we welcome you, sir. Then we have Christus. From Christus, we have Rahul Lahane. He is online present, so I welcome. We have Knights IT Solution. Mr. Yash Kaushik is there. I think he is online. Okay, he is online. And last, Mr. Jaya Infotech, Siddharth Gupta sir is present. So I welcome you, sir. So, sir, we have total 27 companies which we collaborated and we contacted. So, tomato. Okay. So we have tomato board. Sir Anand Mugulikar is also there. So we welcome you, sir. So in total, we have 27 companies. And once again, on behalf of our university, I welcome you. Now the question comes in our mind, why this collaboration is required. So the point in one line I would like to say, in our university, talent is present. At industries, technology is present. And if this talent and technology will come together, then definitely we can develop some solutions for the society. As it is said, IT plus IT is equal to IT. So this is a, you can say, a tagline for nowadays. And as I said to you, that as a university, we are changing as per the requirement of the industry. And for that, what we have done, a small thing that everybody will observe, that is the curriculum which is designed for the programs, that is as per the requirement of industry, as I said. And every time we heard that industry required the engineers which are suitable for the companies. And all leaders, just I would like to inform you, here you will find the decent curriculum. Second important point is that, as I said to you, we are developing winning personalities at our university, and for that, two schools, as I said to you in my discussion, that is School of Holistic Development and School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership. So we have a separate dedicated team of 15 faculty members. So these faculty members are grooming our students so that they will become industry ready. And about our Electronics and Communication Engineering department, I am very happy to inform you that because of this rigorous, you can say, analysis and rigorous hard work by student and by the faculty members, we have achieved 100% placement for our first golden batch. That is the biggest achievement which I would like to share with all of you. Second very important thing, as I said to you, we are in touch with industries continuously. And now, as on today, we are knowledge partners with Tata Motors. As you know that the need of e-vehicle is that is emerging area. So what are the new emerging technologies are coming? So every time our Vice Chancellor advises that you have to visit industries, you have to talk with the people, and what is the requirement of industry? What is the need of, as I said in my discussion in the Prime Minister's talk day before yesterday, the drone technology was the need of our, he mentioned in his talk. So this thing actually we were talking from long back. And one thing which I must proudly say here, that the programs which we have designed here for our university, now the affiliated universities are taking the look of our curriculum, our programs, and they are starting such programs. So some of the programs are started in Pune University after we started that program. So the this university has certain vision, certain mission, and we have a strong leader under the guidance of whom we are working very strongly. There are many more points to say, but I once again thank for our principal sir, our dean ma'am, and all the people, because everybody is contributing to give and give the best to the nation and to develop our own, you can say, future, which are our young generation students. There are many points I want to share with my all industry people, but I will separately share it because the time is very important thing. So once again, on behalf of all of us, all MIT family, now you are also becoming our family members. So once again, I welcome all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now I would request our Honorable Principal, Professor Dr. Kishore Ravande, sir, to address the gathering with these two lines. एक लोहा पूजा में राखत, एक घर बधिक पर्यो, पारस गुण अवगुण नहीं चितवत, कंचन करत खरो. पारस गुण अवगुण नहीं सोचता है, सबको खरा करता चलता है, सबको सोना बनाता है. This is our principal. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Reena, for all good words. Good afternoon, distinguished guests present here. Honorable Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, our Executive President and Vice Chancellor, the visionary leader and the spirit behind all our activities on this great campus. Dr. Rajesh Kaur Sajdev, Dean, Faculty of Engineering and HOD of Computer Science Department. We have with us Shabir Merchant, Chief Executive Officer from Practech on the dais, Dr. Virendra Shetty, the man behind this today's show here, and Dr. Prasad, the Professor of Computer Science and Associate Dean, and of course distinguished and learned colleagues from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, my other colleagues from other departments, HODs, and certainly our mainstay of MIT EDT University, the industry partners. Welcome all of you, and I am really delighted to see number of industry leaders with us today. It has been a great practice for MIT Arts, Design and Technology University that we work closely in collaboration with industry. And I am really happy to mention that Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering under the leadership of Dr. Shetty is way ahead in terms of signing MOUs. Just about almost a little less than 1 year ago, October 2020, they have signed MOUs with 20 industries, 25 industries, and today there's another event of signing MOUs with 27 more industries. So at the outset, I take this opportunity to compliment and congratulate the entire team of Electronics and Communication Department for really working hard and getting in connect with the several industries. And in fact, all this effort that they have done since almost 1 year has really yielded tremendous results in terms of what has been already mentioned, that we have 100% placement that has happened with the Electronics and Communication Department. So obviously, it is the industry which has really made a big contribution in that, and effort of the entire team of Electronics and Communication Engineering has been laudable and certainly appreciable. So I compliment and congratulate your team and Dr. Shetty for dynamic leadership. As far as I was, in fact, informally sharing with all industry people before we have started this function, that MIT Arts, Design and Technology University has been a university with unique features, that we don't just believe in having the education imparted only in classroom with chalk and talk, and we just don't talk about only concepts or the what you call formulas or whatever it is in the classroom, but we complement all that teaching learning process with the experiential learning, and that experiential learning is happening because of the main focus on the curriculum has been project based learning. And this project based learning is right from third semester onward. The students were given opportunity to do projects, mini projects, what we say. But again, these mini projects are not just theoretical projects, but we wish to attempt those projects. Our students wish to do the projects with some live projects from the industry. And this particular idea and this particular effort has been a great success. And a number of students are taking the live projects from industry. And these MOUs and these collaborations are really helpful. In fact, I am happy to share that we have already signed more than 120 MOUs. The School of Engineering with different departments. And certainly this particular collaboration with the industry is helping us in getting some live problems for our students. So either at mini projects or at the graduate project, the final year projects, these particular live problems are handled, and industry is also willing and coming forward, sharing their problems with us, and our faculty and students are attempting that. Besides that, of course, these collaborations are also helping us to place our students for internship programs in different industries, and that has been really something phenomenal that is happening. Internship has been a part of curriculum. AICT does mention about it, but I think the kind of internship that we are having for our placement for our students, which includes also the international internship with the university abroad, and 38 students of ours in the just previous to pandemic had gone to Denmark for their internship program, and it has been a great success. So the learning, what I said, experiential learning is happening through that kind of an internship also, project-based learning also. And besides that, of course, number of industry visits that keep happening. Industries are very cooperative and giving us permission, our students, to visit. And all that results into what I said is experiential learning. Students know what is happening in the industry. And besides that, we also have the value-added programs, which are essentially 30 hours or 45 hours of value-added program, essentially delivered by industry persons. So again, beyond curriculum learning, we are bringing for our students the industry practice. Industry leaders are coming and delivering lectures. And therefore, hearing from horse's mouth what we say is something students appreciate and understand, and students are getting a big benefit. And above all, what we have done is that our entire curriculum has been being revised, and we are making it design-enabled engineering curriculum, which is the dream of our executive president. He has been telling us, and we are now actually what you call incorporating the design thinking subject right the first year for the students of engineering, and that makes our students completely different. As has been already mentioned by Virendra Shetty, that we have that holistic development, the School of Holistic Development, School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership, which actually mentors students outside what you call academic or curriculum. They are being given the training right from yoga, ground sport, gymnasium, physically strong, mentally alert, and academically enlightened students, what we do. And that happens, and School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership really imparts them additional training, soft skills, etc., and make them an employable graduate. So, in all, the MIT Arts, Design and Technology University and School of Engineering has got that unique features which actually mentor our students into a winning personality, and that is what is happening. So I would like to assure these industry leaders here that yes, we are mentoring, and we are creating students who will be productive from day one in the industry, and that is our assurance. And in fact, I am happy to share that besides 100% placement in electronics, we have already placed the first batch has gone out just now, 21, 17 we were inaugurated. So we have already placed 270 students in different industries, right from the big industries to other industries, with an average package of about 4.5 lakh per annum, and the highest package being about 13 lakh per annum. So considering the age of the university, the School of Engineering, of course we have a legacy of MICE group of institutions, but certainly this School of Engineering has done very well, and it's all because of the effort of faculty, students, and obviously the guidance that we get from our executive president. So industry is being assured here that yes, we are doing a job where we are producing students which are industry ready, and industry is assured that they will deliver from day one. The only thing before I sign off, I would like to mention, I was also sharing that particularly these engineering admissions that are happening, we find that for electronics and communication and for civil engineering, some of these branches, the takers are not as many as some other branches. So I thought I would suggest, the industry leaders are here, there could be an industry student conclave where all these industries could really talk to our students, not only students but students at large who are aspirant of engineering profession, about the importance of electronics and communication engineering and that discipline, as to how it is important for them to really pursue a career in that. And I think that would go a long way in terms of, not that we are promoting for, or I'm talking for the admissions of MIT EDT University, I'm talking for industry to get best talent into their particular discipline. So that's my basic idea about that. I think we can think about such kind of a conclave in near future, where we can really counsel our students that how electronics and communication is important part of every profession. So we can do that, we can think about that. So with this, I would like to close my speech. But before that, I would like to again thank from my bottom of my hearts to all the industry leaders, that yes, you have come and you have really strengthened our hands, you have enriched us, and hope that our collaboration, our relationship would be a long lasting and would be a winning relationship. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your words. Now we start with our MOU signing event. The first organization is Pragmatic. I would like to invite Mr. Shabbir Merchant, CEO. He's there. Yes. For the signing of MOU. I request our executive director to felicitate. Okay, बाद में felicitation. So a few words, about Pragmatic TechSoft. They are a dynamic and fast-growing company committed towards creating value for their customers. They are located in Pune, India, the educational and IT hub of Western India. They take pride in delivering rapid, customized, open source enterprise application following agile and lean software methods. Whether you are developing an application from scratch, working in an existing application, or porting your application to a new platform or framework, they are able to meet our business needs. Now I request our Executive President, sir, to felicitate.
Thank you very much. Company Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Shabbir Marchand ji, for coming here personally and signing this, this agreement with us. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. The next company is, okay, very fast. The next company I would like to invite is from Tata Elxsi. Mr. Bhavesh Shah, Delivery Manager, is here. It is headed by Mr. Vasant Shah, Senior Vice President, Business Finance, and Ms. Anjali Das, Location HR. Tata Elxsi is among the world's leading providers of design and technology services across industries, including automotive, broadcast, communications, healthcare, and transportation. Tata Elxsi is helping customers reimagine their products and services through design thinking and the application of digital technologies such as IoT, Internet of Things, cloud, mobility, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence. Acha. I also welcome the Vice President who is online, Mr. Vasant Shah. And Miss Anjali Das, she is also Thank you
online.
very much, Mr. Bhavesh Shah ji from Tata Elxsi, for coming personally to the MIT ADT University campus and participating in this Industry Institute symposium and signing this agreement with us. This relationship will certainly, enrich both the organizations. That's what I can assure. I am also very happy to have a dialogue with Mr. Vasant Shah, Senior Vice President of the company. He is online. So Shah ji, I am really delighted to see you online. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The next company is Accenture. Accenture, I would invite Dinesh Shangle, sir. He's the Vice President. He's here. Sorry, sir. Dinesh Jangle. Accenture is one of the global leading professional services and management consulting company. They provide various type of services, strategies for solving the client challenges. Digital technology and operational services. Accenture creates innovation for the world. Accenture is in the list of a Fortune 500 global company with proficiency across more than 40 industries and all type of business functions. It was founded in 1989 and has more than 425,000 employees across the world. It is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. I request our Executive President, sir, to felicitate Mr. Jangle. The next company is okay. Sorry.
Thank you, Dinesh Jangleji from Accenture. We are very grateful to the company, very big company, for making this partnership. Certainly, we will fulfill your expectations of this agreement. Thank you very much.
The next company is Pune Knowledge Center. It is online. Miss Anita Kane, Senior Advisor for online signing of MOU. Okay. Next. The next
Yeah, welcome
company.
Anita Kaneji from Pune Knowledge Center, Senior Advisor. I welcome you for this, signing ceremony, Memorandum of Understanding signing ceremony. It is a very good occasion. This is the second time our electronics department is doing this activity. And we are very happy. In last 1 year, the whole School of Engineering, they have really done wonderful work on these agreements. In a number of ways, on the innovation project, internship project, then the research areas, they are working, our faculty, our students are working very well. So once again, I welcome you, and I think we have already signed the agreement. So what to do exactly, Shetty sir? We virtually I hand over this file to one of our faculty. They will hand over the file by coming to your office, Anita Kaneji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. The next company we have with us is Scientech. We have Satish Thakre, sir, CTO. I think he is not available for the meeting today with us. So, yeah. So let me go for the next company. We have Mr. Vivek Murukute, sir, Founder Director, Technofield Solutions, with us present here today. I invite him for the signing of MOU on the dais. Technofield Solutions are trader of educational trainer kits and fiber optic products, also offering digital analog communication services and RS power services. They deal with test and measurement instruments, medical equipments, microwave tech bench, satellite trainers, wireless sensor networks, etc. I now request Professor Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, Executive President, to felicitate our guest. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
you, sir.
Vivek Murkuteji, founder director of the Technofield Solutions, for coming here and making us your partner. Thank you very much.
I now would like to invite Mr. Ashish Belgali sir, CEO, ASISM Software Private Limited, on the dais for signing of the MOU. ASISM Software Private Limited is an agile company. They have registered as MSME with the Government of India, founded in 2001. ACISM is active in the very happening city of Pune for over a decade. In April 2019, they underwent some deep-rooted changes. One of the most visible is that the managing team was expanded to add more experienced hands, resulting in changes of the board of directors. Thank you, sir. I now request respected Honorable Professor Dr. Mangesh Karad sir to kindly felicitate the guest.
Thank you, Ashish Belagali ji, for coming here and making this partnership. Thank you very much.
So moving further, our next company is Aeron Systems Private Limited, Pune. But due to some reasons, sir is not available. So the next company is Campus Components Private Limited, Pune. Mr. Akhilesh Kumar, Director of the company, I request him. He is online present today for the ceremony. Akhilesh Kumar.
Yeah,
Okay.
good morning, Akhilesh Kumar ji. You are available online, so I'm very happy. We are signing this, MOU. So it's a very good beginning, auspicious beginning. I think we can work together in the changing scenario. I think institution and industries, they have to work together, and we have to create the new knowledge, because innovation is driving the whole world. The technology is driving the whole world, and on that background, I think institution and industry people should really come together, and we have to work together. So I'm very happy. I think I will hand over this agreement to our head of the department or one of the faculties. They will, hand over this agreement in person at your office. So once again, thank you very much. If they want to talk, they can talk something. If you want, you can talk, online. नाही आहेत का?
Thank you, sir. Our next company is Tirupati Enterprises. Due to some reason, again, sir is not available. So we are moving further.
The next company is SR University. Nahi hai. Okay, they are not available. Then Automation AI, Mr. Bhushan, CEO, Motian, is there. I request him to come on the dais for the signing of MOU. Automation AI Infosystem. They are a full stack AI company with a mission to democratize data. They provide services in data labeling, model gallery, custom AI applications, AI consultancy, agriculture, banking and finance, healthcare, smart city, and manufacturing. Develop a complete deep learning life cycle with a unified platform with automation AIs, create and manage, develop high quality training. I request our Executive President to felicitate.
Thank you, Bhushanji, for coming here and signing this agreement. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We now have Mr. Adhir Poddar, founder and CEO of Isana Systems Online, present online. He's not there. Okay. Thank you. I'll go to the next company. We now have Mr. Rajesh Kumar, sir, Vshite Technologies, present offline today. He is present here. And now would like to invite him to the stage for signing of the MOU. Vshite Technology Pune, as a young organization, is working in the field of automation and process control and test and measuring solutions for various segments of industry. Vshite Technology has qualified and experienced technocrats under one roof to provide the solutions to customers for their specific requirements in various fields as mentioned. They provide the turnkey solutions to customers right from the project study, design development, system integration, installation, and commission. I request respected Executive President, sir, to kindly felicitate the guest.
Thank you, Ramkumar Boobji, for coming here and signing this agreement. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have Mr. Sandeep Patil, sir, CMD, who is present online from Systech Solutions, Pune. Online meetings, okay.
Hello, Anita ma'am, welcome to this program. I request you to express your mind. Anita Kani ma'am from Pune Knowledge Center. Ma'am, please. You please speak.
Yeah, good afternoon, madam. Yeah, madam. Thank you very much. My knowledge center is a really knowledge center. We are really looking forward for you to have a better understanding, better larger work. That is our expectation. You will guide us because you are the cluster of the organization. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I would like to invite Mr. Rushikesh Hirde sir, co-founder and head marketing Ultra Technologia Solutions Private Limited Pune. Yes. Online पण? Alta, not just an organization, but is a revolution. A story of three friends coming together with a same vision of creating a new, safe, affordable world. Change begins at home. They say, watch Alta turn this phrase into a reality. Alta believes in giving its customers something more than just some products. It believes in marketing technology, a friend. It believes in a future where appliances and people coexist and understand each other. I now request our Executive President, Sir, to facilitate the basic.
Your company seems to be very innovative company. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next company is Trio Motion. It is online, but Mr. Upendra Vanarase, the managing director, is there online with us.
Good morning. Hello. Hello, good morning, Upendra ji. I welcome you for this program, signing ceremony program with your company. I think, are you there or not? Acha, Upendra ji. So, I welcome on the behalf of the MIT School of Engineering, MIT ADT University for this partnership program. We are really happy to have the partnership with so many companies, from big companies to the innovative companies to the very, very successful companies. So I hope our relationship will certainly enrich, both the organizations in coming years. So with this hope, I'm signing this agreement. Our person will deliver you the physical copy, actual copy in physical at your office. So thank you very much. I request you can share your mind in 2 minutes. Upendra Vanarase ji.
The next company is Revo Green. Mr. Nikhil Mahajan is present here. I request him to come to the dais for the MOU signing event. Revo Green incorporates revolution and green as the company born up with the only sole purpose to push green revolution forward and to make Atmanirbhar Bharat in a sector of green energy. With the motto of making smart batteries intelligent, they aim to provide a range of products to empower businesses that employ batteries to run more efficiently. They not only supply a product to manage batteries, they provide tools and know-how to make their application a success. I now request our Honorable Executive President to felicitate Mr. Nikhil Mahajan. छोड़ दो.
Yes, thank you, sir. We now have with us Dr. Anjali Chandwale, sir, founder and director, Acube Consultancy Services, present on offline. I invite her on the dais for signing of the MOU. SES was founded in 2019 under the leadership of Mr. Avinash Sandavale, a qualified cost accountant, and Dr. Mrs. Anjali Sandavale, firm's managing partners. It provides the digital transformation to their business in Pune. They are specialized in digital transformation. Their team has specialists in IoT, machine language, MC, etc., and they provide assistance in finance and accounting, supply chain, and order execution. I request Honorable Executive President, sir, to kindly felicitate ma'am, both of them.
Now, I request Mr. Anand Muglikar sir, founder director, Stomato Board Technologies Private Limited, Pune, to please come on the dais. Stomato Board is aimed to solve the surveillance monitoring problem in real time. To watch when no one is watching is their motto. They are specialists in computer vision, image processing, automated CCTV surveillance, machine learning, deep learning, Linux, OpenCV, C++, Python, CCTV systems, and artificial intelligence. I request our Honorable President, Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, to felicitate Mr. Anand Muglikar sir. Ja Infotech Pune. I now request Mr. Siddharth Gupta, founder of Ja Infotech, to please come on the dais. Ja Infotech is designing and automating industry. They believe in new technologies, modifying in-house and serving the most powerful solution to their customers at a fair cost. They are the automation experts and creating the norm in the IoT industries. They work with Indian private and government organizations. Their major products are AgriBot, with field monitoring system, visually impaired shoes, and AI-powered smart wheelchair. Sir has filed 5 patents. Now I request our Honorable Executive President Sir to felicitate the guest.
Now we will take up all the online executives who are with us. Some would like to speak to us. So this is Naman Technologies, who's online. Mr. Tanmay Sathe, he's the founder. Tanmay Sathe. I'll take the next one. Who's online? AVRN Intellitech Private Limited from Bhopal, Mr. Neeraj Jain. Mr. Neeraj Jain is the General Manager, Business Strategy and Marketing.
It is a great honor for us. You have become partner, or we have become your partner. So it is a mutual partnership. So we are very happy and delighted and thankful to you for signing this agreement. Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.
Next industry partner is from GISTATS, who's online with us, Mr. Rahul Lahane, founder and CEO. Mr. Rahul Lahane. He's not there, all right? Naman has joined. Naman Technology, Tanmay Sathe.
Naman Technologies, good afternoon. Thank you. Same here, we are very happy to be your partner. I think we both can work on a different areas, and we can certainly bring the new knowledge to the society, which will be of the great help to the society. So with this, once again I welcome you, and I am very thankful to you again. Thank you very much.
Nakul Deshmukh is there. From which? Nakul Deshmukh is there from iBase Electrosoft Online.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
We are very happy to see these things and very thankful for being a part of your family.
Yeah, thank you, Nakulji, for appreciation and compliments, and we too wish you the great success and great future in coming years. Your company will grow in multiple folds. So with that hope, we have signed this agreement, and let us work together on the bigger and the brighter projects. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. SR University, Professor Dr. Gopinath Ravindran, Professor, is online with us.
Yeah, good morning, good morning. Ravindranji, good morning.
It's our pleasure to work with MIT University.
Yeah.
I personally visited the campus of MIT University, and I am very happy with the hospitality of Shetty sir and the principal sir.
Yeah.
Seriously, it is a good experience for us to have. We are a newly formed university, just 2 years old. We wish to have research collaboration and faculty exchange collaboration with your university. We are very happy to sign this MOU. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. No, thank you very much, sir. We are. I think this is a good beginning. InnoCity and InnoCities are signing the understanding agreements. We should not go to the European universities and American universities. Those are always open, but we can work here. Our different state is like a different country. We have so much of a talent, so we can work on we can take up joint projects. So it is a wonderful beginning. I am very happy. I am delighted. Next time when you will come to us, kindly visit my office for a cup of tea, and we can certainly work on the joint projects, joint research, joint innovation, and number of things. I am very delighted. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Systech Solution Pune online, Mr. Sandeep Patil, CMD. Mr. Sandeep Patil. Okay. Next, last online is from Mr. Adhir Potadar, founder and CEO, Isana System, number 13. Okay, so all are now covered. So we reach towards the end of the program. Now I may invite our beloved one. Okay. Okay, I would invite one or two people among you, our industry partners, to say a few words, to share their views. From Accenture?
First of all, thank you, MIT, entire team for organizing such a wonderful event. As always, we at Accenture, we always believe on innovation, continuous innovation and automation. And I think the partnership with MIT would certainly help us. Obviously, it would mutually help for growth in terms of student and the academic on that front from your side. And as an organization, since we have around 550,000 employees across the globe, it would always be helpful to strengthen our team. So I wish all success to the organization MIT. Thank you.
First of all, thank you MIT University and especially Mangesh Karad sir. When I was a student, I used to hear about MIT, and this is the today chance where I am sitting next to you, and I got a pleasure to shake hands with you. This is really great moment. And from Tata Elxsi perspective, we see that humongous requirement in terms of talent is going to be there for next 5 to 10 years in terms of electronics, in terms of computer, and in terms of programming. And we definitely feel that this kind of joint programs will help not only students to develop their skills, but also it will help the industry to get the ready to deployable strength to compete the upcoming challenges in the technology and meet the objectives of our customer. And this will definitely bring in the lot of development in our nation. So I really appreciate and this initiative, and we will definitely work together with MIT. Thank you very much, sir.
So I really want to thank MIT, this particular campus, for calling us Pragmatic TechSoft. I'm founder and CEO of Pragmatic. So my memory of Pragmatic goes back in 1995 when I had a chance to meet Mr. Vishwanath Karad. I think at that time, such a pioneer in setting up institutions like these. And I think I still remember his words from there on, where he was so encouraging. Unfortunately, I ended up joining College of Engineering Pune, but I think he was such a pioneer even at that particular early age of India, where education was such an important thing. And definitely, I think with the same culture, MIT has extended with those 25 years plus. I've seen MIT doing great in many aspects. And I think industry, being an industry here, I think I was also part of the MOU with the Kothurut campus in the past 5 years ago. I have worked on projects here with them in the past as well, and really looking forward to do more with MIT. Thank you, sir.
He wants
Good morning. What we are seeing here is about academia industry collaboration, and that is definitely a need of the hour. As India, as the nation, we are standing at a cusp On one side, there is a lot of opportunity, but on the other, there are also equally big challenges. One of the greatest challenges is about our youth. Like we have so many, we are a young country, we have so many people, and they need to be shown the right way. And we have this constant uh, uh, desire of how we can make the best of our youth. So this is probably a very good step in that direction. I really congratulate the institute for taking this kind of steps, and I believe that this collaboration extends beyond just the MOU signing, but actually gets into the practical aspects, and we do best so that the nation progresses forward. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone, and thanks for giving us this opportunity to meet all of you sitting on the dais. And just I wanted to tell you that we are associated with the educational fraternity since last 24 years. And while I started my career with Beta Engineers, if you remember, so I got the first order from MIT. Yeah. Okay. So I remember this is our second meet. First, I received a call for hunting the principal. AICT has norm. The norm was there कि PhD must be there, right? So it was my job to hunt for every. After that, my job is totally changed. I started for hunting the principals only itself for the MIT group. Anyway, it's a long back story. Thanks for giving us opportunity again. Thank you very much.
Just, I would now like to invite our beloved numero uno, leading from the front, Executive President and Vice Chancellor, MIT University, Professor Dr. Mangesh Karar sir, to address the gathering with just 2 lines. मौसमों की खबर नहीं रखते, वो परिंदे जो पर नहीं रखते, हमारे प्यारे बापू सर देखते हैं सिर्फ मंजिलों को, फासलों पर नजर नहीं रखते. Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all. I am thankful to all the company people. 27 companies have signed the agreement, the partnership agreement with MIT ADT University. I'm really thankful to Dr. Shetty, his entire team, lady power, the woman power, they have made it possible. Naturally, men are always there behind the woman, so that is possible. So it is a good thing. This is the second time, I think, all our departments of a School of Engineering, they are working on the partnership. We believe in the partnership because the collaboration effect is a multiple time, 1 plus, if you work, single-handedly, 1 is equal to 1. But if you work 4 into 4, so that effect is 16 times. There is a one formula, but I will not go into the detailed formula. But this is MIT has always taken the lead in education, in higher education, to give the relevant education to the society from time to time. Our founder, he founded the institution in 1983 when there was a dearth of a technical education, the professional education. So he ignited the the policy makers, and in 1983 the MIT was founded. It was the first urban college in 1983. 8 colleges were given. All other 7 colleges were in the rural area. MIT was in the urban area. So that's how it is the beginning of the MIT. But the change is always constant. So change is occurring years and years, decades and decade. And now the pendulum has gone to the other end. Now there is no dearth of engineering colleges. Now more and more universities are coming. More and more private universities are coming. In Maharashtra only there are now there are the 20 private universities plus our regular universities plus deemed universities. So throughout country now the pendulum now the less is not the problem, now more is the problem. The availability of more number of colleges, more number of seats is a problem, and in that I think the survival of the institution is a real challenge. And in my opinion, the institutions and the universities, those will survive, which will really create the knowledge. Because now we are not living only in India, we are living in the global India. So we are connected to the world, and whatever happens at any part of the world is reflected here in a fraction of second. It can be the technology. If the technology is invented, next minute the companies like you people, you go to them, you tap to them, you collaborate them, and that technology is made available in our country in a different format. And the technologies are now, I think everything is virtual, exponential technologies. Picture is released through cloud, cloud, no reel is to be transferred. A very simple example I am quoting. So everywhere, as beta engineers, they used to give us the oscilloscope, the virtual oscilloscope. But now I think that virtual oscilloscope has gone. Now everything is virtual. Oscilloscope is also on the computer. So everything is available. So the change is there, and in this changing scenario, I think universities are changing. They have to change. So we are changing. MIT has taken that place to change with the time, to give the relevant education to our young people, young youth. Those by taking education at such a university, I think we hope our objective is that our youth will contribute for the economic growth, GDP growth of our country. Our GDP is hardly $2 trillion. So our Prime Minister is hoping to reach $5 trillion. How we can do that? I think without innovation, we cannot do that. And when the issue of innovation comes, I think application of technology, we have decided to make the partnerships with the industry, with you people. So we will be very happy if you can share your problem with our faculty, with our students. They will work on your problem, your innovative projects, and they will try to give you the new solution. Because in turn, they are not going to ask you any money, anything. Only they want the assignment. They want the that problem which will challenge them, and they will try to go, give the solution. So with that hope, I think MIT ADT University is working. We have all our departments are working with a different industry. Last year we have worked with the Tech Mahindra. They have developed. I think those two ladies have gone. They have developed on their number of the projects, and we are working with Kinetic. We are working with, I think, more than 200 companies we have signed up for entire university, right from College of Management, School of Engineering, Design, Bioengineering. We have a entrepreneurship cell here, MIT ADT Incubator Forum, which is very we can say is on right track. I think the government of India is very happy with the progress or with the ecosystem which we are creating at our campus to promote the entrepreneurship, innovation-led entrepreneurship. Recently, the government of India has granted the fund of 3 crore rupees. So we can give the seed fund from 20 lakh to 50 lakh rupees for the new innovators to turn their ideas into products. So that is so any startup can apply to our incubator center, and we can fund their ideas. So that is a small beginning in that vision of creating the new generation entrepreneurs, which can enhance the economy of this country. So with that hope, I think we are creating all backward engineering we are doing, so that with that incubator cell, now the innovation department is established. We call it as a KRIA, in which best of the projects, here every semester project-based learning is adopted right from second year. Every student has to do the project. So out of 1,000 projects in a year, I think we are going to choose the best projects which can be converted to the products. And the KRIA department, with our own funding, maybe 3 crore or 4 crore rupees, whatever amount will be required, we are going to develop that product. So those products will be available to the industry. If you really want to sponsor any of such a project, you are welcome. You can give some money. Otherwise, we are going to sponsor that project. That is not the issue. And afterward, that product development, that student can go with that developed product to our entrepreneurship cell, and he can create his own company, his own enterprise. So that is the objective, the drive of our organization. So separate innovation department is there. All other soft initiatives are taken, like a innovation council is there. hackathons are organized number of times. We are participating in a different company hackathons. So that is going on. So very, very competitive spirit is maintained at the campus. So that competitive spirit is really making the change, or that competitive spirit is bringing the that spark or in our young students. So I'm very happy. So with that motive, I think this objective of signing the MOU is done, and I'm sure your companies will certainly give us some problem statements, give small problem, and if our people can work on that problem, then we can go ahead with the bigger and bigger problems. The procedure is sometimes, the faculty nowadays, the other problem is that everyone want to join only computer engineering. That is the biggest problem. I think nowadays, no, all engineerings are now merged. Now the mechanical people are not taking admission for mechanical, they are taking admission for robotics, mechatronics. Everywhere, I think everywhere, the merged engineering, or what name, I think some good people will coin some good name for the new engineering, which will be all combined, engineering. But that is happening. So here, basically computer engineering, we have decided to magnify that school of a computer engineering, in which all now the specializations in computer engineering, like cloud engineering, will be the one department. Now our madam has gone. Our partner is now Tata Consultancy Services. We are going to deliver the 2 courses with them, artificial intelligence and cloud engineering with them, or some other course. So likewise, we are working. We are also working with the Amazon AWS for the cloud. Anjali madam, cloud. No, I got confused something. Amazon Web Services. So we are making number of partnerships with the big companies. Apple, we have established one Apple mobile app development center here. Apple has recognized us. We are authorized Apple, education trainer, and they have trained our 15 faculties how to develop the mobile app, app which is used by the Apple. So those ideas, because they want the innovative ideas, people who have the innovative ideas, they can work on their ideas, they can develop that app, and that app will be loaded into the app store of the Apple. So that's how we are getting connected with the big companies. They are not they are very clever people. Why they are coming to colleges like us? Because ideas are here, young people have that idea. So they are making the partnerships with all the young people. So these are the small other initiatives. Are different institution has taken different initiatives. I am not going to talk much about that, but why I am telling this is the the new version of the education which is coming, and those universities who will work in this area with this bigger objective of a innovation led entrepreneurship, I think those universities and those colleges will sustain in coming years. So, and that pledge is taken by the MIT ADT University. So I assure you, you are at a right place. Only thing is that we have to come together. We have signed the MOU, but that is not sufficient. I think we have to work together passionately, without how we can, you just remember us, MIT ADT University is there, and here multiple branches are there, like design is there, engineering is there, computer, electronics, bioengineering, fine art, then with all this ecosystem, I think we can work on the problem statement, and we can give, at least we can try to give you the one of the best solutions. So that is my guarantee to you. So with these words, I am really thankful to you for coming forward and signing this paper with us. So once again, I am really happy, and I am very thankful to you for this partnership. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for this lovely enlightening speech. I now request our head of department and vice principal. Okay, I now request our principal, sir, Professor Kishore Ramande, sir, to present a bouquet to Papu, sir. from all of us present here. This is a felicitation from all of us. Now, I request Professor Dr. Pooja Kulkarni from our department to give a vote of thanks.
Thank you very much, madam. It is indeed an honor to have been asked to offer a vote of thanks on this second Industry Academia Symposium. On behalf of ECE Department, School of Engineering, MIT ADT University, Pune, we want to extend our gratitude towards our founder president, Honorable Dr. Vishwanath Karad sir, for providing us a broad platform for the field of education. It is a matter of pride for me to express our sincere thanks to our Executive President and Vice Chancellor, Honorable Dr. Mangesh Karad sir, for his visionary support continuously. A sincere thanks to our Pro VC, Dr. Chakradev sir. His motivation keeps us active for such activities. A big and heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sunita Karad madam, Member Board of Management, Dean Faculty of Management, for providing us continuous support. A warm and sincere gratitude towards all the industry people who spared their valuable time, and a great handshake for collaborative activities with MIT ADT University. It's indeed a pride to have tie-up with big industries. Sorry, I cannot name all. I only say big industries. So I'm sure that the kind personalities will surely forgive me if I'm not mentioning their names. It's really a nice mix of hardware and software industries for overall development of our students and faculty as well. I should not miss the name of our registrar, Dr. Mahesh Chopde sir, for providing all the facilities. It is a great opportunity to thank our Dean Faculty of Engineering, Dr. Rajnish Kaur Bedi madam, and our principal sir, Honorable Dr. Ramande sir, for their guidance and support. A big thanks to our Vice Principal and Head ENTC, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Dr. Shetty sir. His leadership and goal setting guides us to achieve the same in time. Our sincere gratitude towards all the deans, directors, heads of various departments and schools for supporting us. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the faculty and staff members from ECE Department and School of Engineering. Their active support has made this event a great success. I express my sincere gratitude to all the attendees and all of them who supported us directly or indirectly. Thanks again. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, madam. I request everyone to close their eyes, stand up, close their eyes, and join their hands for Pasaidan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवी येने वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोन्मज जावे पसाय दान जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांदो तया सत्कर्मी रतिवाढ भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरिताचे तिमिरता विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो देवांशील तो तेलाहो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत विशतु भूता चला कल्पतरुंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणीचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पीयूषाचे चंद्रमे जे अनंतन मार्तंड देता पहिन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होऊन किही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुषी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टादृश्य विजये होवावे जीवे येथ म्हणे